Well, the next rasa that we shall understand is Bhayankar rasa or Bhayanak rasa, we can say. That is fear. Bhayanak means fear. Something which something which awakens our fear. So it includes worries as well as severe anxiety. Please ignore the spellings, I shall correct them. So the Bhayanak rasa includes worries as well as severe anxiety. And to master this fear rasa, fear is the sthayi bhava, okay? Uh, so to master this rasa, to get control of this rasa, we need to develop inner strength, truth and love. If you are truthful, if you do not have a feeling of hatred for others, you will not be scared of anyone at all. It requires inner strength. So fear is often caused by ignorance. Now, for example, if you do not know anything, you won't be able to ask anything about that thing. Or if you haven't studied, for example, for your examination, you will have the fear about the examination. So it is caused by ignorance. We should know how to overcome fear. When something is unknown, the mind can only imagine what it can do. And if the ego is not confident enough, the mind will only imagine fearful things. What will happen? What will happen? So such kind of thinking will go on in the mind. Suppose you want to ask something, but if you don't know how to ask it, then you may not express yourself. You must be knowing, lack of confidence is due to fear many a times. If you do not have confidence, so you will have fear. Many times I have seen that students do not express themselves in English for the fear of committing mistakes. But you should try, you should overcome this fear, this anxiety. So fear and worries are primarily a game of the ever exaggerating mind. Now you should understand this. What happens, it is out of your imagination. It comes out of your imagination. Now what will happen? What will happen? You exaggerate. You are not ready to face the reality. Then time fear comes over. When your ego means, you should not take the meaning of ego in a negative sense. Ego means your self. You should remember the terms in psychology. Okay. So that is your unconscious mind, we can say. While the ego suffers from it if it identifies with it, means you identify that. If you identify means what to you identify yourself with that situation. Means you find similarities. If I will do this, this will happen. So this kind of apprehension creates fear in your mind. And the most powerful fear is the fear of death. What will happen if I do like this, if I ride like this, if I drive like this. Okay, if suppose you're passing through the forest, then time you have the fear of tiger or some wild animal. So as many desires exist, so many fears may arise. So fear is a natural protection that keeps us away from harm. That is also means many times we say that I'm not afraid of anything, but sometimes it is good to be good to have some kind of fear. Dar acha hai sometimes. Okay, otherwise we would have done anything. So we have social fear, we have fear of our family and all, but that is in a positive way. If it overpowers, then that is a problem. Okay. Now this is a chart where you come across the Bhayanak ras and the associated what we call bhavas. Now, tamas is the dominant guna of the Bhayanak ras, tamas. Okay, and dominant kosh, mind, is manomai kosh. These are Sanskrit words, and the friendly rasas involved in Bhayanak rasa, wonder, Vismay ras, and Rudra ras, we can say. And the enemy rasas are Veera ras, courage, Shanta ras, and Sringar ras, Hashya ras. Are the enemy rasas. Means if you have Bhayanak ras over dominating you, tamas is there, your mind will not think of courage. Your mind will not be peaceful. You may not feel like laughing. You may not experience love. And the neutral rasas are disgust and sadness, nairashya, we can say. Okay? And this rasa comes out of anger. And how to control, how to overcome fear, how to come out of the mind of fear, we can say, fearful mindset. You should see company and truth while doing your duty. Truth is the solution. You should be truthful to yourself. Once you are truthful to yourself, you will not be afraid of anything. Okay? And Siddhi is your Ichha. And the deity associated with fear is Yama. Okay? So this is how we understand Bhayanak ras.